questions. Okay, you should not miss any of it. These all contain definitions, then key words, key points. Minimum, you should know minimum that much. Okay, so when you are appearing for the exams, you can check the website. From there also some extra questions you can learn it. Got it? Next period, next chapter onwards. For the next chapter, what I am planning to do is, I will send the notes, chapter notes in the website. Okay, I will send the chapter notes in the website. From there, you can write down. Is it okay for you? Or
Yes,
should I
ma'am.
send it?
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
should I send it in the WhatsApp? What you
Ma'am,
want?
website.
Ma'am,
Website. Excuse me, ma'am. Website.
Okay,
ma'am, send
website.
in both.
Both?
Ma'am.
Okay.
WhatsApp. Yeah. WhatsApp.
Yeah,
Ma'am.
WhatsApp. Okay, okay. So,
Ma'am, in the website only first chapter is there, ma'am.
I think so, dear, because it is done by Dixon ma'am, no? So
Ma'am, I
maybe
checked today, ma'am.
it is not there.
No, ma'am, it's just only chapter 1 food.
Chapter 1 food only there. Chapter
Yes,
2
ma'am.
is not there. Chapter
ma'am.
2 is not there. Chapter 2 is not there. Okay, okay. I will check it. Okay. I will check it then. Okay. 6A, Dixon ma'am told me it is uploaded. Let me see. If it is not there, I will upload the workbook. It's not the workbook. WhatsApp notes to there. Okay, and I will see some more MCQ questions also. If I can, I will do it. Okay, so that will help you to attend the exams. Okay, so here I want to check some questions. Hmm? I will ask question. Those students have to answer me. Okay, Ashish, Ashish.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so my question is, why is it advised to take iodized salt? Why is it advised to take iodized salt? Can you tell me, Ashish? Did you copy the note? Let me ask first. Did you copy the note?
Ma'am, chapter 2.
Yeah, chapter 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I think you might have seen this question. No. Why is it advised to take iodized salt?
Ma'am, to avoid goiter.
To avoid goiter. What is the connection? That is the point. Okay, answer is correct, but you have to explain it. Okay, what is the connection between goiter and this iodized salt? That I want to know. Tell me. Tell me, Ashish, what is the connection between iodized salt and goiter?
No, I don't know.
Okay, good. No problem. Okay, I will ask. Before that, let me ask. See, goiter is a deficiency disease. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Of iodine.
Of iodine. Okay, good. A goiter is a deficiency disease. It is formed because of the deficiency of iodine in our body. Okay, good. So now, can you tell me, Ashish, now can you tell me why we should advise to use iodized salt to prevent goiter?
Ma'am,
Yes, yes,
goiter is a
yes.
deficiency disease.
It is formed because of the deficiency of, which one?
Iodine.
Iodine. Okay, because of the mineral iodine. Okay, now what about the iodized salt? What you can tell about the iodized salt?
Iodized salt contains iodine.
Very good.
So,
Iodized salt contains iodine. See, because iodine is very important for our body, the iodine is mixed in the salt. That iodine, that is called iodized salt. Okay. All salts are not mixed with it. All salts are not mixed by the iodine. But when we purchase the salt, we have to purchase iodized salt. Okay, because we will use this salt in all our food items. So it is easy to get the iodine for our body. Okay, so that is why it is advised to take iodized salt. Will you forget this one?
No, ma'am.
No,
ma'am.
no.
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
No. So, like this, one more question I want to ask. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Explain. Just I am revising that chapter. Okay. For the periodic test. For the periodic test, I will take the question from chapter 1 and chapter 2. Okay, MCQ question. You know about the test. It is all, I think I took the daily test in this class. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
you are now, okay, you are now familiar with the daily test. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ameya, please switch on the video. Ameya, please switch on the video. Okay, I want to see your face.
No, I could not able to switch on. Ma'am, I
Why?
think it was stuck.
Okay, okay. So you are facing some network issues. No problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But you should be attentive. Okay. So next question. Explain. Explain why people who eat seafood do not suffer from goiter. Explain why people who eat seafood do not suffer from goiter. I will ask to Harriet. Harriet.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Harriet, please answer my question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Harriet.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Should I repeat question?
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Why people who eat seafood do not suffer from goiter? Okay, if you know the answer, please tell me.
Ma'am, because that food contains salt. Because
that
this sea water.
No, no, no. It is not the correct answer. You
Ma'am,
are
can I
somewhat
say?
near to it. Okay. So, Harriet, please listen to Ananya's answer. Let me see whether he is saying it correct or not. Okay,
Ma'am,
Ananya.
can I say?
Ananya.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
Ananya.
seafood contains iodine in it.
Okay, very good. Seafood is a rich source of iodine. Okay, seafood is a rich source of iodine and prevents the occurrence of goiter. Okay, if iodine is less in our body, we may affected by this goiter. It is a deficiency disease. So, we should, that is people who eat seafood do not suffer from goiter. I think these all answers are there in the notes. Okay.
Yes,
These
ma'am.
are application level questions, not in the direct form, right? See, from the textbook, from the notes also you can see the what are deficiency diseases. Give example for deficiency diseases. How can we treat the deficiency diseases like this? But for the exams, you have to expect some application level questions. Okay, I hope everybody is okay, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
let me ask you other question. Nihal Mustafa. Nihal Mustafa.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Say, which vitamin keeps our skin and eyes healthy? Which vitamin keeps our skin and eyes healthy? Which vitamin?
Vitamin C.
Wait. Okay, mute it and wait. Let me give chance to Namasya. Namasya. Can you tell me, Namasya? Okay, which vitamin keeps our skin and eyes healthy?
Vitamin A.
Vitamin A. Okay, Nihal, which is the vitamin?
Okay, ma'am.
Which is the
Vitamin A.
Vitamin A. Okay, so in the previous class, I told about the deficiency disease of vitamin A. If vitamin
Yes,
A
ma'am.
is less in our body, can you tell?
Night blindness.
Yeah,
Night blindness.
Okay, okay. Night blindness. It can affect our vision, right? If vitamin A is less in our body, it can affect our vision. See, in the notes, I had sent some sources of vitamin A also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, vitamin A.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, vitamin or mineral and some sources, very important sources only I mentioned it there, okay? But you should learn it because for the test you have to appear for the MCQs. Okay. So, from the MCQ. So, if any question, for example, corn and cabbage. Corn and cabbage are rich in dash.
Traffic.
Okay, okay.
Roughage.
So that you know. So in the same way, you can expect so many questions. So learn which vitamin is rich in which food item. Same food item contains so many vitamins. Don't worry. But leafy vegetables, spinach, like these are rich in vitamin A, iron. Which mineral is there? Iron. Okay, likewise, milk. Milk is rich in calcium. Rice is rich in carbohydrates.
Starch.
Starch. Okay. So likewise, which nutrient is rich in the food item? You have to check it and to learn it. Got it? So next question to Sri Rudra. Unmuted Sri Rudra. Unmuted Sri Rudra. Okay, are you ready, Sri Rudra? Sri Rudra, not seeing. Can you hear me, Sri Rudra? Okay, so I will ask you her another. Sanaika, please unmute it, Sanaika. Sanaika, no. Okay, so Anthony Vijo, Anthony Vijo.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see, tell me which vitamin helps body to fight against many diseases? Which vitamin
Yes, ma'am.
helps body to fight against many diseases? Which vitamin? Which vitamin? Which vitamin? Please wait. Please wait. Francis, tell me, Francis.
Vitamin C.
Vitamin C. Okay, Anthony. Anthony. Okay, which vitamin is help us to fight against the diseases?
Vitamin
Vitamin A, vitamin C. Mute your audio. Mute your audio.
Ma'am.
Yes, yes, Sri Rudra. Okay. Are you? Okay. No, I will come back to you. Okay. Now wait for the. Now I want. Let Aaron. Okay. Can you tell me food items which contain vitamin C, which are rich in vitamin C?
Vitamin C,
Vitamin C. Rich in vitamin C.
leafy vegetables,
Leafy vegetable, rich in vitamin C. Some are there rich in vitamin C. Leafy vegetables, vitamins are there. Okay, I agree with it. Francis, mute your audio. Okay, so let me give some others. Ameya. Okay, can you help Aaron? Yes, then tell me which food item rich in vitamin C?
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Okay. Mute your audio. Okay. Let me see why you are. Aaron, please mute your audio. Let me see Devika. Aaron, please listen. Okay, Devika, please tell me which food item contains vitamin C?
C, right?
Vitamin C. C.
Ma'am, kiwi.
Kiwi. Then
Then tomato.
tomato. Then
Ma'am, strawberries.
strawberries. Then what
Ma'am,
we can call them? Citrus fruits. Is that citrus fruits? Right?
ma'am, lemon, orange.
Orange, lemon.
Sour fruits.
Ma'am, gooseberry.
1 minute. Everybody mute your audio. Mute your audio. Everybody. See, I am getting so much disturbing sounds. Okay. Only to now, only Devika is expected to mute. Unmute. Okay. All others keep quiet. Ananda Krishnan, next question is to you. Okay. Please be. Devika, please tell the answer. Which food item contains which food source contains vitamin C? Rich
Ma'am,
in
citrus
vitamin.
fruits.
Citrus fruits. Okay. Can you explain? The others don't know what is the citrus fruit. How you will explain it?
Ma'am, citrus fruits means it's having a different like acid form.
That is
Ma'am,
there.
it's
But
like
in a
sour.
simple words, how
Ma'am,
you?
it's mostly sour.
Yeah, that is the thing. Okay. Sour tasting fruits. What it? So all
Okay,
the
ma'am.
fruits, all the sour tasting fruits, they are called citrus fruits. Okay. They all are rich in vitamin C. Because orange, lemon, you know, this all some of you might have fond of it, right? Orange and all.
Yes,
When
ma'am.
we eat the orange, that time itself we are getting some energy, right? Okay, lemon juice, that is also. So next question to Ananda Krishnan. Okay, Ananda Krishnan. Okay. Which vitamin help our body to use calcium for bones and teeth? Which think it. No need to read from the textbook. It is revision. It is revision. Then why you are? Huh? No need. Don't keep the speaker in your mouth. Just keep it. Okay. Which vitamin helps our body to use calcium for bones and teeth? Yes, tell me. Tell me.
And vitamin D.
Vitamin D. Okay, vitamin D. Can you tell me the sources of vitamin D, Ananda Krishnan?
And vitamin D. Ma'am, vitamin D.
No need to look. I can see you are looking. You are not learning nowadays. Huh? Okay, vitamin D. Other than the food source, one more source is there to get vitamin D. All others, please keep quiet. Let Ananda Krishnan to tell. This time you can all think. We will get vitamin D from some food sources. That is okay. Along with that,
Ma'am, fish.
fish, okay, very good source of
Ma'am,
vitamin
fish.
D.
But
Okay. Then
ma'am, fish, butter,
butter,
egg.
egg. Egg is there?
Then
No, okay. Listen. So you told some plant and animal sources of vitamin D. Okay. I am asking it. Besides this plant and animal source, one another source is there to get vitamin D. Ananda Krishnan, think it.
ma'am, can I tell?
No. Please let him to think. I know who all know this answer. I know it. But let Ananda Krishnan to think
Ma'am,
it.
sunlight.
Sunlight, very good.
Sunlight.
Okay, sunlight, very good. So our body also prepares vitamin D in the presence of sunlight. Got it? These all are important points. You have to keep these all things. Okay, Ananda Krishnan. Okay, mute your audio now. Next one. Next question is to Kanish. Kanish, unmute your audio, please. Kanish.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Which mineral helps for producing blood cells? Minerals, blood cells. Which mineral helps in our body for preparing blood cells?
Calcium.
1 minute, just think. Oh, don't give answers. Okay, Kanish. Some are very okay. Emil, unmute. Kanish, please listen. Okay, Emil,
Yes, ma'am.
who is talking in Malayalam? Huh? Okay, Emil, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, what was the question?
What was the question, right?
Yes,
Which mineral helps to produce blood cells?
Iron.
Iron. Ganesh, which is the mineral that help us to produce blood cells? Iron. So Ganesh, can you give me one source of iron? One source of iron. Any one source of iron. From where you will get iron? Iron.
Ma'am.
1 minute. Listen. Kanish, you have to learn the notes. Okay, read the textbook. Okay, I will give chance to Vrisa. Vrisa.
Ma'am, jaggery.
Okay, Vrisa. Okay, jaggery. Okay, it is also a good source of iron. Good. Okay, can you tell any other source? Good, rich in iron. Which are rich in iron. Okay, Smriti. Okay, Vrisa. Smriti. Okay, Smriti.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Okay, no, it is not clear. Okay,
Your voice is breaking.
my voice is also
No, ma'am.
breaking. Okay,
No,
okay,
ma'am.
okay. Okay, so, okay, one more source I want, Devika.
Yes, ma'am.
Please help Kanish to get some sources of iron.
Ma'am, spinach.
Spinach. Okay, that is
Dates.
the dates,
Ma'am, bitter gourd.
bitter gourd. These are the rich in iron. You have to include these all food items. Okay. So I think it is the time to wind up today's session. Next class onwards, we will start our fourth chapter. I am not taking third chapter. Fourth chapter. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
get time. You please read it. Read the textbook. Don't forget to copy the notes of the second chapter. Okay. Next week, after next week, you can expect us. So don't forget it. Bye.